So this the amount of air present in a cylinder when vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. जैसे सिलेंडर है, अब इसमें एक वैक्यूम पंप लगा है, सो ये वैक्यूम पंप क्या करता है, सिलेंडर की हवा निकालेगा वो। तो आप 5 सेकंड के लिए यदि पंप को चलाएं तो ये सिलेंडर की 1/4 एयर निकल जाती है। यानी मान लो यहाँ 60 kg यदि एयर होगी तो उसका 1/4 जो है यानी 4 kg एयर निकल जाएगा। फिर 4 kg एयर निकल जाने के बाद जो बचा 16 - 4 सो 12 बचा, तो 12 kg फिर ये सपोज फॉर 5 सेकंड्स के लिए आपने चलाया, फिर ये 12 kg बचा, इसको भी आप 5 सेकंड्स के लिए यदि चलाते हो सो इसका जो 1/4 है वो 3 kg हो जाएगा। और 3 kg फिर यहाँ से आप 16 में से 12 में से 3 kg गया तो 9 kg बचेगा। So this is one of the example of arithmetic progression. You have to check whether it is the arithmetic progression is or not. The amount of air present in a cylinder when vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So this is the cylinder and it is containing 16 kg. You can, it is domestic LPG cylinder you can consider, and it is having 16 kg gas in it. So 1/4 of the 16, how much? 1/4 of 16, that will be 16 into 1/4, so it will be 4 kg. So if pump is run for 5 seconds, so 4 kg will be taken out from this 16. So gas, remaining gas will be after first 5 seconds, after first 5 seconds cylinder will have 16 minus 4 kg, that is 12 kg. 5 सेकंड के लिए आपने चलाया, सो 16 kg में से 1/4 निकल जाएगा, दैट इज़ 4 kg निकलेगा। सो फर्स्ट 5 सेकंड्स में 4 केजी निकलने के बाद 12 केजी बचेगा इसमें। ये पहले 16 केजी था, फिर 12 केजी बचेगा। अब 12 केजी को फिर से सेकंड 5 सेकंड्स के लिए चलाओ। आफ्टर नेक्स्ट 5 सेकंड्स तो उसमें 12 केजी का 1/4 कितना हो जाएगा? 12 केजी का जो है ध्यान दिया, 12 केजी का 1/4 3 केजी होगा। 12 into 1/4। So after 5 seconds 1/4 of 12 kg, that is 12 into 1/4, that is 3 kg will remove. Five seconds में 1/4 of 12, that is 12 into 1/4, that is 3 kg will remove. So cylinder will have 12 minus 3 kg, that is 9 kg of gas. नेक्स्ट 5 सेकंड्स चलाने के बाद में 3 kg निकल जाएगा, तो 12 kg में से 3 गया, 9 kg बचेगा। Again if it is run for 5 seconds, again after again it again the pump runs for next 5 seconds. Again the pump runs next 5 seconds. It will remove 1/4 of 9 kg, that is 9 into 1/4. That is this much kg will remove. Pump runs for next 5 seconds, it will remove 1/4 of 9 kg, that is 2.25 kg will remove. In cylinder it and thus cylinder will have 9 kg was there, so 2.25 will remove, so it will have 0.756 kg. So if again it is run for 5 seconds, so 1/4 of it will remove. So arithmetic progress, let us stepwise, term wise we write now for each 5 seconds. So initial there was, so AP will be initial first term, initial it was cylinder was containing 16 kg. Thereafter, after removing 1/4 of it, gas will 12 kg. Again pump runs for 5 seconds, so cylinder will have 9 kg. Again it is run for next 5 seconds, so gas cylinder will have gas 6.75 kg, and so on. So now you see that whether it is arithmetic progression or not. So it is in descending order, okay, because next terms are decreasing here. And second, the difference between two terms are not same. Here 12 minus 16, 12 minus 16, that is minus 4, difference is minus 4. Here 9 minus 12, that is minus 3. Here minus 6.75 minus 9, minus 2.25. So here you see that distance between two consecutive terms is, first two terms it is minus 4, distance between second and third term is minus 3, distance between third and fourth term is minus 2.5. So it is not equal, it is not same. Distance between two consecutive terms is not same, and therefore it is not arithmetic progression. It is not the example of arithmetic progression. Okay.